What is up, everybody? So your girl's back, and I know I haven't been posting in a very long time. Today's video is Rick and Morty, and everyone knows Rick and Morty. Like, who doesn't know Rick and Morty? You don't know Rick and Morty? You don't know Rick and Morty? If you don't know Rick and Morty, that's embarrassing, bro.
Travel. Ooh, your little flappy doodles are twitching. Does that mean you're aroused, or did you just get a signal that one of your buddies found a grape?
It's arousal.
So in case you didn't know, I do some art on clothing, and it's like weird. I'm also getting used to me doing art. If you know me since like high school or whatever, I'm sure you also like shocked.
Like, what is this? Like, we don't know you an artist. Like, what is this shit now? Like, what's happening?
So sorry. And oh, welcome new subscribers. I got some subscribers whilst I was gone, which is like so strange. Like, why are you subscribing? I'm not even active. Like, guys, like my new subscribers, in case you didn't know, you guys actually push me the most to come back on YouTube, because I would forget about YouTube. I did try and stay away from YouTube just for my sanity and healing myself and stuff. So yeah, with that being said, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Really just bless you, bless your life. You're gonna be successful in life. I'm gonna put that in your reality. You're amazing.
Please don't shoot me. I beat myself up more than you do. I live with myself. I have to live with myself, guys. Do you know how hard that shit is? I have to be by myself. Like, it's hard. It's hard.
Particularly as I'm busy with customizations. Unfortunately, I'm always busy when I'm doing customizations, and I don't even know why. Like, doing like makeup gigs, I'll be doing like weird shit. I'm not planning on leaving now, but I was gonna say subscribe to my YouTube channel. I feel like that's a joke. Like, subscribe, of course, but you know, if you don't want to subscribe, then it's okay. Guys, we can call this a gap year from YouTube because it was needed. For me, it was needed, and it was a much needed break from YouTube to figure myself out, and just, you can't define life because life is just strange and everything just happens. Like, it just happens. Like, life is just I don't want to talk about life. I'll save that for one of my future videos. Bear in mind that when I speed up the freaking video, that shit takes me like 3 to 7 days to finish a full custom. No, sometimes it takes me the longest freaking time to do one custom, and like, that's because I'll be doing some stuff in between, and I want to be showing you all that because that's life realistically.
You guys can follow me on KCM on Instagram in case you wanna be finding out more about me and my personality, because I don't really hide shit from my followers. Like, if you know me and you follow from Instagram, you know that I don't hide shit. I actually put my shit out there way too fucking much, and it gets like disturbing. Like, why am I so open with social media? Like, no, it's not cute sometimes, but I just put it out there because I don't give a fuck what anyone thinks. Anyway, that's not the point. You can follow me on Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram in case you don't know who I am and what I'm like.
Hey guys, so I'm back here in the voiceover, and I know that you didn't expect the video to actually begin like this, but yeah, I just decided that it's better for me to explain what's actually happening throughout so I can speed up the video. I woke up that day and I decided, you know what, let me just do this jacket. And then I decided to do this half jacket thing that I got from my dad. I actually stole it from my dad because I thought it was really, really cool, and he wasn't wearing it anyway. And I don't even know if I have like pictures from back in the day when it was, you know, his. Anyway, I'm always stealing my parents' clothes and everything, so that's not new to them at all. So I decided to do this half jacket, and then that same day when I was recording this, I had a makeup gig. It was all planned anyway, because I was like, okay, like after the makeup gig, I'm just gonna come home and finish off this jacket. Turns out I was tired as hell after this makeup gig. And oh yeah, by the way, like, this is SBX. I've worked with her like many times in the past. I feel like it was many times. Okay, I don't really know, but yeah, I love working with her anyway. And yeah, she's dope. Her music is dope, by the way. Check her out. Anyway, so then I got home and I was tired, right? And then I woke up the next day and I was losing some motivation. I was just like, I don't want to do this. And I honestly think this is when I realized that I was getting really, really nervous to come back on YouTube, you know. And I don't think it was the best time to come back on YouTube. So now I'm ready to come back, basically. But yeah, at the time I was just freaking nervous. I was just like, oh, I can't do this. And like, yeah, it was just a lot. But anyway,
I don't want to do this.
I was like, fuck this shit. I'm gonna do this. And so I went to the store so I can get some paint.
I don't find what I wanted. This is so weird. I can't do this. I'm so nervous, guys. What the fuck?
Started doing the custom. Right now I was ready to do the custom, and then it turns out I had to also do an invitation for my brother's birthday. And yeah, guys, basically what I'm trying to say is that like my life is a lot, and clearly this is a life that's meant for me, so I should be handling it pretty well, right? But anyway, I did the invitation, and after that I was just like, I don't want to do this, like why am I still here? Like clearly there were just a lot of obstacles getting in the way of me doing this custom, but like we move, right? We move. So then I eventually got the fuck up the following day, and I was like, I'm doing this, like I'm gonna finish this today. Obviously I wasn't gonna finish it that day because I never finished my customs like on the day, of which I should actually challenge myself to do that. That should be a freaking challenge. Like I should stop being freaking lazy. I know that I'm lazy, and I know that's the problem. So I know it's possible to do it. Like it's not something that's out of this world. Yeah. Studying digital arts, which is game design and animation, and we were doing an African puzzle last year. And yeah, I was not in the mood for school because I felt like school was so abusive last year. Like it was just abuse on abuse on abuse. Like what I mean by abusive is that the workload was actually crazy for a normal person. And like if anyone really pulled that off last year, like well done, hey, because that was just a lot of shit. Oh my gosh. And I was going through my own shit, so yeah, it was just a lot, you know. But also I understand like being ready for certain things, and I feel like I just wasn't ready for a bomb to hit me like that the way it did last year. So yeah, and then after that, that's when I finally, guess what, your girl finally finished the jacket.
See you guys in my next video. Yeah.